Alright, my good people, and welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. Like this, now me don't call your screen, me don't call your domot with another breaking news, with another legit intel on the things and things where they go on for inside we nation Nigeria. The cocoa now be say for inside on Tuesday, maybe the 17th day of December for inside this year 2024. The Nigeria Bureau of Statistics will be NBS, they publish their 2024 crime experience and security perception survey. This report now they show say approximately 2.2 trillion naira Nigerians pay to kidnappers as ransom money between the month of May for the year 2023 and the month of April for this year 2024. This now about $1.4 billion or 1.16 billion pounds, and it passed the 1.64 trillion naira where the government budget for defense for this year 2024. And according to the survey, my good people, now the Northwest now be number 1. That is for all the regions now for inside our green country will be Nigeria. So now the Northwest now kidnapping happen where and now the Northwest now carry the highest actual number of kidnap incidents. Don't be small matter like this, so my good people. The thing is serious to the extent to be say out of the over 2.2 million kidnapping incidents we happen for inside this our green country Nigeria during the period of the survey, more than half, that is 1.42 million incidents, now happen for the Northwest region. And also, people for the region pay a total of 1.2 trillion naira as ransom payments to kidnappers. This now they represent more than half of the total ransom payments for we nation Nigeria. That is to say, according to the report wey dey show say approximately 2.2 trillion naira na country people pay to kidnappers as ransom money between the month of May 2023 and the month of April 2024. Only the Northwest region alone carry half, and this na sake of say dem pay a total of 1.2 trillion naira as ransom payments to kidnappers. And no be lie, my good people. The Northwest region na where bandits and herdsmen don dey hold sway in the recent years. Na there jaguda men dey carry out mass kidnappings. Na there jaguda men dey destroy people their homes and farmlands. Na there jaguda men dey commit anything wey they wan commit. They give men RIP. And for inside the month of October, report bin reach our table. Say the Nigerian military dem drop one announcement. Say one new terrorist group like that wey dey go by the name Lakurawa, they don come outside o. They don burst out like this from the same Northwest region, and their base na Sokoto State. And according to the survey, my good people, the North Central region wey be say Abuja follow for inside, dem record am as the second highest incidence of kidnap for inside we green country wey be Nigeria, followed by the Northeast wey be the hotbed of Boko Haram. And another interesting statistic for the survey be say more people were kidnapped from their home, that is, dem kidnap people from their house more than any other place. Almost 70% of the total incidents of kidnapping happen when people dey their house or their street, while 24.2% of the kidnap incidents happen when countrymen dey drive along the road, either privately or for inside bus with other passengers. And still on the survey, my good people, the Southeast region rank 3rd on the list of where kidnapping incidents happen. But the Southeast region record the least incidents of kidnapping with 110,432 incidents and more than 85.4 billion naira wey country people pay as ransom to kidnappers for that region. And the struggle for succession by the indigenous people of Biafra wey IPOB, e follow for wetin dey make insecurity dey rise up for inside the Southeast region. And things come woski the more after security operatives for inside Kenya bin arrest the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra wey be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and they come send am back to this our green country wey be Nigeria so for trial. And since then, different armed groups don rise up for the region to demand the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and their mode of operation dey include kidnapping, giving RIP to security operatives, burning of government buildings, and a brutal enforcement of the sit-at-home order wey dem plaster, wey dem arrange say e go dey happen every Monday. And this order so, my good people, e don dey happen since the month of June for inside the year 2021 when government bin rearrest Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And my good people, we dey see this recent crime experience and security perception survey report wey the National Bureau of Statistics dem drop. E dey come in spite of the many times wey our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu bin don promise to improve the security situation for inside this our green country wey be Nigeria. And make we no forget say during his speech for the Nigeria Independence Day celebration wey be the first day of October, our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu bin dey claim say dis administration e don kpai the highest number of Boko Haram and bandit commanders inside 1 year. And another important message wey I go like share give the general public be say dis report so wey the National Bureau of Statistics dem drop na a result of a perception survey. Dis levels dey mean say the report na based on answers wey dey provided by the country people wey the National Bureau of Statistics their field workers bin ask question. And the number of households wey take part on dis survey na 12,281 across 1,020 enumeration areas of the 36 states of dis our green country wey be Nigeria and the Federal Capital Territory. And as dis report drop, my good people, one country person wey be security expert im dey go by the name Dr. Awal Abdullahi, im na come dey yarn say dis report dey show how the power of criminals dey increase for a country wey get law and order and security apparatus wey dey function. And im say no be small setback o, say kidnappers now fit raise money pass the budget wey government allocate for security to fight terrorism. Dis na to show say real problem dey for inside dis our green country wey be Nigeria. And dis report dey show say kidnappers now don get power pass our country Nigeria. Dis report dey show say kidnappers now dey don strong pass as dem bin dey before, and with the kind money wey dem don cash out, dem fit buy any weapon wey dem want. And if dem last come purchase the weapon wey dem want, dis now go still put our country Nigeria into more gbese. And the way e easy for the bandits, the kidnappers, to take collect dis kind money from countrymen, e dey show say dem fit last sabotage the country economy. E dey show say dem get all it takes, dem get the financial power to scatter the peace wey citizens dem get. And that, my good people, na big wahala, na bad news for the general public. Dis, my good people, na wetin the security expert wey dey go by the name Dr. Awal Abdullahi talk about the matter. But anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. You know say our hobby na to dey give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you would like to dey receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey come with the news, my good people, na you go first receive the updates and you go even get am sharp.